Hello, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. Thank you for this opportunity. I am Annabel Garcia from Pilar, Santa Maria, Pangasinan. 33 years old, happy married, and least one son, age of 6. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a house helper here in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve 4 members of the family, including 2 kids, age of 3 and 5 years old. My duties are taking care and teaching the kids, preparing cooking meal, washing the dishes, laundry, ironing, and cleaning the house. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and kids' savings future. Hello to my future employer. Hello, ma'am, sir. Please give me a chance to be a part of your family because I can work independently. I can manage my daily routine without supervision. I'm hardworking, responsible, trustworthy, patient, and easy to learn. Ma'am, sir, thank you and God bless.